Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Camry maintenance light. First, turn your car's ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, confirm your odometer shows the total mileage. If it's displaying trip O or trip B, simply press the ODO/trip button until the total mileage appears. This initial step is crucial for the reset process to work correctly. Now let's get into the reset mode. Turn your ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the ODO/trip button. While still holding that button down, turn the ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the button, you'll see the maintenance light begin to flash, indicating you're on the right track. You're almost there. Continue holding the ODO/trip button. The maintenance light will flash for a few seconds, then it will go solid. Keep holding until the light completely disappears from your dashboard. Once it's gone, you can release the button. This confirms the maintenance light has been successfully reset and you're all set until your next service. To verify the reset, start your engine and check that the maintenance light remains off. If it reappears, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset process from the beginning. This method is effective for many Toyota Camry models. Remember, resetting the light doesn't replace actual maintenance, so always follow your vehicle's service schedule for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.